Ever wonder why goats are always climbing, even when there is no mountain in sight? Well, there is reason for that. Welcome back to iFico Farm to Tell TV, where farm life get fun and fascinating. Today, we are diving into the worldwide of goat climbing. So let's go. 1. Natural instinct. Climbing is in goat blood. In the wild, goats like the ibex live on steep, rocky cliff, climbing to escape danger and find food. Even though our goat live on the farm, they still carry that same mountain instinct. So when they see a log, rock, blocks, even small wood or motorcycle, don't be surprised if they climb it. So they always climb on whatever they see. If they see small blocks, they will climb. If they see small wood, they will climb. Like what they are seeing in the video, they always climb any way they enter. That is their nature. Even the one that born today, they always climb. Baby goat always climb immediately after they like to jump. 2. Why do they climb on the farm? Here on the farm, there may be no mountain, but that does not stop them. Goats will climb anything out of curiosity, for fun, and to show dominance. Yes, the goat that climb the highest often become the boss of the pen. So climbing is not just play, it is a social game with a purpose. So they always see the one that climb well and they will respect that. If you check the videos on them, those ones that can climb very well, they will respect. They will always give him space. 3. Health benefits. And guess what? Climbing is also amazing exercise for goats. It strengthens their muscle, keep their joints flexible, and sharpen their minds. Active goats are healthier goats, less boredom, less illness, and fewer bad habits. That is why we encourage it on the farm. So we encourage climbing. Like each time we see them climbing, we are always happy. In fact, it's also a source of entertainment for you. So climbing is in their nature. It contributed a lot to their well-being. 4. Do it yourself climbing setup. We call it DIY. So how do you keep your goats happy? Simple. Give them things to climb. You don't need anything fancy. Something like old tire, tree stumps, wooden planks, or cement blocks all works just fine. These are what we call do-it-yourself or DIY climbing setup. Easy to build, fun for good, and safe if done right. Just make sure there are no sharp edges or wobbly parts. They will love it. They will enjoy it. Like what you are seeing in the video. They are climbing blocks and they're happy. So sometimes we always move them outside to climb, like the blocks is outside. I always move them outside to climb the blocks to exercise themselves. It always make them happy and are always healthy. It contributed a lot to their well-being. So next time you are going to hope on a log, a bench, or even your water tank, don't stop them. They are not being stubborn, they are just being good. If this video helped you, give it a thumb up and share it with another farmers. Subscribe today. Farm freshness is just a click away. And remember, happy goods equal to healthy goods. Thank you for watching.